Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Convivial and today we have a special guest, my mother. Mommy, you are welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
So today I want to talk about motherhood, the challenges, the struggles, waiting, they hear about. Then when you come born finish, you'll be like, say, surprise, don't pop up. Mommy, you will be say like you don't born for Nigeria and you don't still born for Italy here. Like what will be the main difference where you experience?
The main difference when I experience, the experience big because for Nigeria maybe if you get belle even when you go for checkup for year. Then they attend to you well. For Nigeria not be so. You get the way when we say they behave for Nigeria. That time if you get belle for Nigeria, some people know they like to quick start cleaning.
Because of money abuse?
And because of financial problem.
For other countries, I don't know how they function, but for Italy, as soon as you don't know, say you don't get belle, from that process till you don't born finish, they pay a dime.
I know.
No, in case anybody will be saying, they Italian and they try the brief.
So many people they feel afford to go hospital. They prefer to born at home than to go to hospital.
What of if, for example, now emergency call or call? How they want to handle the thing for inside house?
What thing they handle? Now your neighbor be your emergency now. What do you find? You never know. That's why we strong gidigba. Even if person carry us, throw us for up.
Una go land like nothing dey happen.
You never know. And then
another thing when I notice be say, not be say when I notice, when I think be saying, if for example now you born for Nigeria, you get help for that side. People around you they fight who want carry the pikin. This one go say na me want carry am. But here, as soon as you just born, you just dey on your own. It's a lot of people say they get one proverb where they talk say, "Te hai voluto la bicicletta, devi saper pedalare." So meaning, now you want bicycle now, so now you go know, now you go they ride them by yourself. So you just on your own. Nobody they even like. Maybe say they don't want mind you, but all of them they still get their own life to live. Abi, don't be so you take experience here. That time when you born here. You get anybody will help you?
No, not so. Now true you talk. The difference big difference there for Nigeria if you born maybe children go in the morning children go they come now they fight who want na me go first carry na me go do this na me go do this. Your mother-in-law they there your mama they there when they help you it they good but for there the kind bees when we they take care of here they in Nigeria.
I know.
Now that one be the problem when they for here now even though say your mama they here you born and maybe your mama they work feel leave work come they
I know. Now the same experience when I get like people go they tell me say at least your mama dey here now your mama dey here. No guys, my mama dey another city, I dey another city. My mama need to work. She get her own family to take care of. Like they get busy where they want sort out. She don't feel live her life now. Come meet me. She made that sacrifice and make she stay with me for some days. But at the end of the day, she don't feel stay with me for that long because she needs to live her life. She needs to go to work. Like unless I get enough dough where we say I go tell my mama so yeah not the work again. Come my house, come relax. I dey pay you every month. But God never bless me like that. So what you person go do? But apart from that, say like if you nearly born now, it go be like say people around you, all of them na medical doctors. Person go tell you say, press your head well. The other one go say, I better not to press your head. Don't may not go poo inside. This one go tell you say, massage. And this one go tell you say, no massage. Like how you wanted to respond to all those kind of people, especially all those one where be say, it go be like say they get busy body. They don't go like they throw things to you like in an offensive way. Where be say like on a normal you self go verse. How you want to handle all those kind of situation?
If person born, if person don't born, everybody when they born, then go like to they give their experience to tell you say this is the way I do my own. The way they do their own, it favor them. That's why then they advise you that way to do one.
No, me I know they talk about advice. They normal say person go advise you all those kind of things. But what you mean they talk about be say people wey they make you feel less, say like na them be better mama pass you, na them they do am better than you. Like they not go even give you credit for the one way you they do that. They tell you say this one, they don't like this or this one. You want kill the pikin, you want do this one, you want do that one. Now those kind one now they talk.
No, you dey think am that way. The person wey dey tell you, e get some people if dem talk, dem believe say maybe wetin dem tell you na to advise you, not knowing that they are offending you. So that kind person, if you don't answer am, e go be like say wetin he tell you, if he wan tell another person, he go say he advise you. But the way when you go take time, come be like say you don tell when you don dey born. You understand me?
Imagine person wey offending they go because you tell another person say you offend.
So, my dear,
No,
you never know.
Okay, what of the fact say like, say me sef, I join the gang that time. That time, if I see person wey newly born, I go dey talk say, this person just one born, he just don leave himself. See as he come fat, see as he come do this one. Now when I born, now I know say like it not really dey easy to lose weight unless be say like you first get good body like that. Say no matter wetin you chop, no matter wetin you do for this life, fat not dey come. How you see that one?
That one na medicine. Now wetin people now who never marry, single, who never born, you don't know wetin dey. I no dey blame on those kind people. If that kind person talk to me, I'll say, my dear, look, may you reach that time. If you don't reach that time, you go know wetin dey.
You go remember.
E be like the question when pikin ask him mama, why be say your mouth be like this? E go up. The mama tell am say if you don't reach the time, you go know.
You go know, abi. And I believe say like if before I born e get so many things when I dey fear. Like when I dey hear you that time, you go dey tell me say Convivia na common menstrual pain. Now you dey drink medicine. Now you dey do this one. How you want to born? How you want to push pikin? You know wetin be that kind pain? But you never for one day tell me say to even still born. That one na genesis sef. Say the main difficulty na when you don born finish. For example, me I never hear anybody say like to breastfeed e dey hard well. Say injury fit dey your breast. Say pikin go dey suck breast, me go dey cry. I come to say nobody don ever tell me this one. Abi my body no dey normal. Why this kind of thing dey happen to me? When I come ask you, tell me say na normal na. So why be say nobody dey talk about that one? Yeah. Nobody dey talk about the fact say like if you even don born finish, say you no go ever sleep normal again until the pikin don grow. Why una no dey talk about all those ones? Una no dey concentrate on labor pain. We know say labor dey pain. We don't already arrange ourselves with and say okay, we don't know see the pain. Like psychologically, you don't like they exercise your mind. Say okay, I know this is going to be painful, so I prepare myself. But when the time when you dey talk all those things, you never talk for one day all these other challenges. Why be say nobody dey talk about them?
That one are challenges. Maybe you forget. Till tomorrow I still dey tell you. When you dey small, when I just born you, I can't be like small wind. People they ask me, even my stepmother, he asked my mama whether they sick. Because they let me sleep for night, for daytime. So hungry still join. I can't be like wish when you want confess. I dey tell you that one, and I know.
Me, I think like now this one now my baby they pay me back so. I believe that wetin I do, my own baby they do me back. You tell me that time because I remember saying Nigerian people they go say, no worry, now what you do now your pikin go do you.
But when you buy, I say I be not telling you that one, my daughter. I said I be not telling you this thing. Say now what you do me now your pikin go do you. I not talking. So why it be like that for here? Be say children when they born for here, they too they attach their mama because. Nowhere to go, no other children to leave them for. You understand? For Nigeria, and even though say pikin dey cry, you feel leave am for person.
Wetin I believe say can still affect us well now this sickness wey just dey around now. Like all of us just dey inside house, and now if they come out again, lockdown per lockdown, person dey inside house, we no know another person, na only you with am all the time. So I feel say like e dey normal say e go dey over attached to you, abi. No be that one cause you go first dey like that.
For you, if you dey your own house, you lock door na. If na only that one you get, na your apartment na who wan come enter, na oyibo wan come carry him own come meet you for inside room. No. Even e dey possible, you know, e dey possible say you and the oyibo people when e dey the same palazzo, you no go know them.
Even my neighbors, I don't know any.
You no fit know your neighbors.
I just dey hear their voice.
You go hear na so.
I don't know them.
Na be the problem when we dey face for here. For Nigeria, if you open door, everybody don see for outside.
True, sure.
Na that one.
I dey miss all those things for Nigeria, sha. But no be okay. Another thing now when I want talk about be say, you go tell me say that time if I ask you say okay, you dey always dey talk about say e dey pain to born, e dey pain to born. Why e be say many people come dey born? You go tell me say if dem born finish, the pain you go just be like, you go just forget everything. How you tell me forget everything? Me, I remember each step when I go through. Like the pain was so intense that I remember. How you tell forget your own, Biko?
Forget na if you no forget.
No, I want to
try to forget. Try to erase am off from your brain. If not, to born another one be the problem. They there, then they forget now. How you no go forget?
How not they forget?
Then they forget. You don't you only remember say this thing, the pain dey there, the way when the thing really take pain you, that one you no go get am for head again, because immediately that baby don come out, all those pain, intensive pain when you get.
But I don't know about natural birth, because like my own experience be say I dey into labor, I did dilated like 5 centimeters. But at the end of the day, we not progress like from in the morning to the evening. Now the same 5 centimeters I did, then I can't do emergency C-section. So I don't know about like the pain to push pikin come outside. But I feel guarantee you say the pain of that cut where they cut me, I still dey remember until today. The pain was too much.
Try.
But when I come when I couldn't feel say I never hear say person he talk about like say this thing dey pain too much, because people when they hear auntie and they always they hear say Italo people go say they want choose C-section to natural birth. So for my mind be say that time when they tell me say hey, they want go do C-section for me myself I can't dey happy say abeg this pain be done too much. I don't know say the main pain they come later. I don't know say the main pain they come later. Imagine.
That's all.
But I don't know about other women, but you people should let me know. Now don't forget my own pain. Me, I never forget my own. It's still in my memory.
No, then they forget.
What of all? Okay, another question when I want to ask you. Now the last question when I want to ask you, be say, why we say women that they compare their children to other children? It go be like say like they in one sort of competition. They come they ask you, your pikin never sit down. My own use 1 month sit down. Your pikin never waka. My own use 1 month waka. They know say like for person where they anxious, person where they suffer for anxiousness, say that kind of thing, it go feel make and they worried all the time. Say maybe pikin no dey normal, pikin no dey okay. Why be say other children they waka or they talk by this time? Say you know they talk by this time, or you know they waka when other people they waka. How you think that kind of thing?
Like me, for me, I don't feel they think all those kind of things. You understand? Although my children, all of them waka 10 months. 10 months, una don't they do urukere round.
No, not be only waka issue. Like just the fact say that they like put pressure for other moms. They tell them say their pikin never do this one. My own pikin don't do this one.
It be like say you forget wetin I tell you before. Now wetin person experience, now he go tell you. Now you by yourself go know how you take follow am up. You understand? The one wey still work for you, if another person still dey do, you say na like this my own take work out for me.
That's true. And the last thing when I want really talk about is like me, I dey always dey talk say I find myself in difficulties when I born, all those kind of things. Then I come the reason single parents, how they take they do am. Only them. Me now, I get husband wey be say e dey help me. Then now they know maybe they don't get anybody that they abroad here. You know, say abroad here, as I said earlier, you dey on your own. How they take they cope? Like I give una hand. I don't know how una take they do una own because the whole thing it dey tire me. Sometimes the stress. That I remember when I nearly born. Sometimes I dey cry out of stress. Like I'll just sit down like this, just like.
No. Hey.
That time.
You know, I dey been you not talk your own come out now. Nobody go know whether you cry. You dey stressed out.
But I cry.
But now so all those single mom now so their life still be. When they go see people, they'll still they having people when they get people when they help them. You understand me? So they'll say, I wish I be like that person. I wish I see you. They help me take care of my baby. You understand me? So now that one not be say they just they comfortable like that. Then they feel them themselves. They be human being and blood they flow for their vein. Not be water.
Wetin I want sit there like. Wetin I want sit there mothers say, especially those ones wey be say they newly born. Like no let anybody pressure you. Know that is normal sometimes. May you take day like may you take feel say you know go. If you not feel do this thing today, it is okay. You don't need to stress yourself. Say see here see this one. No, you need as you take care of the pikin, you still need to take care of yourself. Yourself, you be human being. So take it easy, one step at a time. Yeah, no they be say like you can't feel say why be say that other person now he dey fit do everything. See as he still dey neat, see as he don't lose weight. You don't know what that person they go through. You don't know why that person feel lose the old weight. You don't know whether they depressed, you know they feel they eat, you know they feel they do anything. So may we try sometimes. May we not too dey hard on ourselves. Or how you think?
Not true you talk, not true. To dey compare person with another person, you know they good because right from time I never compare myself to another person. I focus on what I'm doing,
But you know say, sorry to cut you short, but you know say not be everybody dey strong as you dey strong. Some people dey a little bit more vulnerable.
I know. That's why they say make them not they compare themselves with other people. Let me take it for example now. There are some people when it be say that they pass through hell for house. But if they see another person, they'll tell that one say, wetin you dey do if na me I for don comot then when they tell you comot, you know they comot. You understand me? Now different way. The only thing when me I see for there. Anything when you want do, anything when you know say it go please you, please your family, continue to dey do am. No dey do the one wey be say wetin person no be for inside house go come dey tell you say na so I be, and if na me my husband no go do me this one, if na me my wife no go do me this one. Just those kind people born them, live your own life. You go see and say your married life go dey sweet.
That's what I also think say like if you feel say like person today whether na your friend or wetin be say you too dey stress, you too dey put pressure for yourself say e dey make you feel down. It's better you just block that person comot for a while so that you go get your own peace of mind. Okay now guys, we don come to the end of the topic. Una still tell us wetin una think, una whole experience and everything. And please guys do subscribe, like, comment and share. Till the next episode. Bye for now. Ciao ciao.